So my name is Eloi. I'm from Canada. I study psychology, neuroscience and genetic, and I want to apply it to the field of education. So I first learned about JBA with internet. So I used a website called Workaway, and from there I was introduced to JBA, which has like tremendous reviews by workawayers. It's a unique institution that has very important values for the children. It has tremendous staff as well as amazing students. What is truly unique about JBA is the learning environment that provides the school. So there are so many, and like each of the walls are pictured, are written, so of cellular divisions and all those stuff. Okay, so I did a lot of things. So I did like a cooking class in which I taught to do spaghetti. I teach about global warming, single-usage plastic, neuroplasticity, and learning how to learn. I did some activities about psychology. What I believe and what is that we're all part of one super big community, so humanity. And it's by sharing and by meeting other people that you expand your knowledge. I think I would need so much more time. I would need so much more time to make a greater impact. Not only because what I did is mainly teaching, but what I think I would have liked to do is also putting much more effort into extracurricular activities. So this is a project like I would like JBA to start, is putting a lot of effort in extracurricular activities. So after class, students could enroll much more into a large variety of other stuff than school. And why do I think this is important? Is that when it comes to employment, when it comes to deciding who you are and what you want to do in life, you have to write something else on your CV than average 91%. So this is my average. This is one number that defines me.